guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_home44. Today we're going to be unboxing a food scale or a digital kitchen scale. I got this from Amazon, and I'm trying to measure like when you're trying to measure something like food, or when you're trying to cook something and you don't have an accurate measurement. I think this is something that you can buy so you can measure your portion. But since I think for me, one of my New Year's resolution is to lose weight and stay healthy for myself and for the family. So one of the things that I bought this year is this one. If you're interested in buying this one, I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below. But anyway, I'm gonna unbox it and we'll see what this one looks like, and let's do it. It's very light, by the way. So, and the size is not that big. It's actually perfect. So you can, just when you're not using this, you can immediately just put this in your kitchen drawer. But this is how small or how big the kitchen scale is. And I got Etekcity, the name of the brand. That's the name of it. This is not a sponsored post, by the way. I'm just unboxing and looking at the, looking at it first with a first impression. It has batteries. It's supposed to be easy touch buttons, high precision sensors, and LED display. So let's open this. Oh my goodness, it's so small. I like that it's stainless steel in finish. It matches my kitchen appliance because my refrigerator and my microwave and oven are all stainless steel. So this matches it. I like that. So it's supposed to be, they said batteries are already included, so we're gonna, so this one is in there. Oop, I dropped that. And it comes in with like some type of their social media or where you can find this product. And then of course the diagram or like an instruction. So I am going to flip the camera so we can see what we're doing here on the table, and we're gonna try weighing some food or whatever I have in the refrigerator. I have already removed the thing that holds the battery. Yes, it comes in with battery. It needs 3 AAA battery. So yep, this is ready. The instruction says to turn it on, you just press this button right here. So we're gonna do that. Oop, there you go. And to turn it off, you just hold it for 2 seconds, and there's that. And also, if you're already it's already on and you want to put a bowl on there, oops, sorry, there's already a bowl on there, and you want to take out the weight of the bowl, you just tap it again to zero it out, and then you put anything that you want to measure, like your salad, your pasta, or whatever. Test this thing out. So let's just say we want to measure or weigh some salad. I think that right there, the unit of measurement in grams should be fine. But if you're trying to measure like water, you can use this unit of measurement. So you tap this button right here, and you can also use that for milk. It's actually the same unit of measurement. They're both ml. This one is ounce. That's also for liquid, and pound ounce. And for this purposes, since we're going to be weighing salad, we're going to use grams. So let's just say you want to eat some salad for your dinner. So the good thing about this is you can clear the weight of the bowl, and then from there you can already put your salad. My apologies for my kale salad. Some of these are turning yellow, but I don't really care. They're still good as long as they're not soggy or anything like that. So if I want 25 grams of kale, that's 25 grams of kale right there. Or not 25. Okay, we're gonna get some more. Okay, there you go. That's 25 grams of kale. Now, if you want to add more ingredients or more things to your salad, then you can set it to 0. Let's say you want to add some carrots. I have some carrots here. One, okay. And maybe more carrots because I like carrots. There you go. That should be it. 31 grams worth of carrots. So that's it. And if you want to put more chicken, or not more chicken, but if you want to put chicken or eggs maybe, then you can reset this one over here, the button on the right side, and then you put more ingredients. But you know, if you're trying to track what you eat or the portion of the food that you eat, you might want to write it down before tapping this button right here. Anyway, I'm gonna try to weigh some water too, or liquid. So let's select ounce, because that's usually yeah. So we're gonna zero that out. Yeah, that's really awesome. Really easy to use, by the way. So if you're trying to measure your, for example, your let's just say milk or water, or any liquid thing or ingredients that you're going to be putting in your food or in your salad or whatever you're cooking, you can use this one. So don't forget to zero it out. And then once that's 0, you can put in the liquid. Okay. Yep. That's 2 ounces. That's really good. So I think this is a good food scale. So it's actually easy to clean. So I think overall, I'd probably give this like first impression and serving its purpose and functionality and design. I'd probably give this a 4-star. Since I haven't actually used it, we were just testing it earlier. I don't know how long does the product last, or I don't know how like there's nothing for me to compare it with. Like, this is my first food scale, so but I'm pretty impressed with how skinny the design is, and also, like I said, it's what do you call that? I keep on saying but it is a stainless steel, so it's easy to clean. You just wipe it with, you know, damp washcloth, and you can actually easily put this in your kitchen drawer to put it away, or you can keep it out. I don't think it's gonna, you know, it's gonna be looking cluttered in your kitchen because of its very sleek design. If you're interested in getting this, getting this product. I bought this at Amazon, so I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below. But I'm looking forward to using this because I am, you know, like I said, I'm trying to measure the food that we are like taking, or the portion of the food that we are eating. And also this is probably gonna help with whenever we're measuring something for whenever we're cooking. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have subscribed already, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And I hope you come back and keep on checking out my videos. If you have any video suggestions, you can put it in the comment box down below. If you have any questions, you can also put it in the comment box down below. And as always, thank you for watching my video for today, and thank you for supporting my channel, and see you next time. Bye.